Hello everyone, welcome to Vasoul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for Capricorns. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days and 15 days numerology and tarot learning workshop, you can check out in the description box below. And kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. One important thing, guys, is that I'm doing emergency, like same day reading at the cost of $200. So you can make the payment via PayPal and you can get the same day reading. Okay, so you don't have to wait for long. So, and also one more thing, the PayPal link and the Google Pay link is given in the description box below, and so you can get the readings, and payment is accepted globally. So if you wish to donate for my live sessions and for my YouTube channel's readings, you can donate any amount. Any amount is appreciated. I'll be grateful to you, and thank you for all the karma donations which you have been doing for so long. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on with Capricorns. Okay, kindly comment down below. I hope you like it. This time the pattern is different. I'll be asking 10 questions and we'll be doing the reading accordingly. Okay, so I've just written few questions. Okay, because I don't remember the questions. That's the problem I have. Okay, so I'll be reading the questions and then I'll be pulling up the cards. Okay, so Capricorns, what are you going through currently? The first question is, what are you going through currently? You are manifesting something. I don't know what you are manifesting, hoping, believing right now. Manifesting something related to career, relationship, situationship, anything, but you are just hoping, believing and manifesting, Capricorns. Okay, the second question is that if you follow the same present plan of manifestation, what is the likely outcome of this situation? If you follow the same plan of manifestation, what will be the outcome? If you follow the same plan, what will be the outcome? Wait, I'll be doing it again. If you follow the same plan, what will be the outcome? If you follow the same plan, what will be the outcome? If you follow the same plan, what will be the outcome? Wow. So justice will be there. It's a positive sign for you. Whatever you are manifesting, keep on doing it, because justice will be served. Karmic cycle will be coming to an end and you will get the justice. Whatever you are manifesting, you will get the justice related to it. If someone is going through a court case, okay, so they will get a victory in that court case, or any court case, any law, something related to law, you will get a justice related to that. Okay, if you are dealing with any court case. But others of you, if you are manifesting something, you will get justice related to that manifestation. Okay, the third question is, what do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? What do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? What do you need to know about your career, health or relationship? Okay, so related to career, health and relationship, there is a common message, that is that there will be few secrets revealed to you. Okay, it might be into the career part, it might be into a health part, it might be into a relationship part. Okay, so there will be few hidden secrets, hidden truths will be revealed to you, or it had been already revealed to you, and you are giving a lot of thought process, contemplating, making a particular decision. You are just thinking and thinking. Okay, and you have a very fearless energy related to that secrets which has been come out. Okay, you are being very fearless, very fearless. Okay, so that's a very good thing, it's a positive thing. Okay, so what do you need to do or to change to improve this situation? Whatever situation you are doing, what you need to do. So you need to take an action. Okay, I don't know what, but someone has to take an action towards it. Okay, you need to be very fearless, which you are right now, and you will have to take an action towards it to improve the situation, whatever you are going through. Okay, so tell me something about your partner's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Oh, there is a major shakeup is happening into their life currently. Okay, someone is falling down, someone, a major shakeup is happening into their life, into they are thinking, they are thinking towards you, because there is a tower, and the question was that tell me something about his or her feelings towards you. So Capricorns, your partner is feeling towards you that you are having a terrible time right now, because you are going through a major shakeup currently around the situation, and that's why your partner is feeling the same. They are depressed and sad and worried about this situation of yours which you are dealing with. Okay, next question is where this relationship will be going. 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 Okay, where this relation. You have high hopes. Okay, High Priestess, you are going through some spiritual awakening. You have a positive sign. Okay, so if you are juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, okay, nothing is ending. There's a high intuition level when it comes to this relationship. Okay, it's a spiritual connection, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so what you should focus on from now. What you should focus on from now. What your intuition level is increasing when it comes to this relationship. Okay, you should focus on not holding back. Like, you are into fearless mode. You are taking an action towards whatever you feel right, and you are not holding back, which is a very good thing, because it's all about holding back, and when it's in reverse, that means that you are not holding back, and you should focus on it, that do not hold back. Whatever you are doing, you are correct at your part. Okay, so yes, you should focus on not holding back anymore. Okay, from your person or from this relationship. Okay, you are doing it right. Next question is, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Two. Your hopes and fears are, you are indecisive. There is a third party situation, parents, in-laws, whatever it is, there is a third party situation, and you are highly indecisive about this person. Okay, but yeah, there is soon you are going to make a solid decision about your life when it comes to this connection. Okay, and that is creating a lot of hopes and fears. Like, you want to take certain sort of decisions, but you cannot, because something is blocked here. Okay, so this is coming into your part of hopes and fears. So you are hoping, but at the same time you have a fear that if I'll make this decision, what will happen. Okay, so that's the problem that you are facing right now. What will be the ultimate outcome for the month of September? Wow, so this is on your I can say outcome. You will be no more confused in the month of September. Like, by the end of September, you won't be confused anymore. Okay, you will be taking an action and moving forward when it comes to this connection. Like, you will be taking an action and moving forward towards this connection, towards this person. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. Nice. Okay, so yeah, next, let's see. A lot of experience you will be dealing with. Okay, major decisions you need to make. You will be juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions. Okay, but you will be disappointed while making a decision, but you will be doing it. Okay, you will be going through some major experiences, major good or bad, but those are the experiences of your life. Okay, and a major completion, karmic cycles are coming to an end. That is a beautiful thing. So yes, someone has to take an action towards a connection. That's what I feel from today's reading. Okay, like deciding from taking an action. Okay, that whether you want to stay into a connection, whether you want a marriage into a connection or not, or whatsoever. But yeah, someone has to make a major decision when it comes to a relationship. Okay, there will be a lot of hidden truths, hidden secrets will be coming out for sure. Okay, and you just need to be careful about it. Okay, so yes, just be careful about it. Strategy, you have to make a plan, certain plan of moving forward. Okay, how you want to leave the past situation behind, whatever situation you are in right now. You have to leave the past behind and you have to move forward. So you have to make a strategy of leaving the third party situation. Okay, it can be anybody, your parents, your family members, your third lover, or anyone. So you have to just make a certain plan. Okay, you have to make a certain strategy, how you want to proceed further, how you want to leave the past. Okay, you will be shining bright, you will be taking action, you will be moving forward into your life towards a new beginning, new connection, new relationship, new decisions. Okay, so it's a beautiful thing, new beginnings in your relationships. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Some of you might get married also, new beginning, you might get rocafied also. So it's a beautiful thing, right? Nice, new beginning, new relationship, everything new. Sun is shining bright. Okay, so yes, your message for today from Archangel Uriel is that I am blessed with irresistible love and spiritual influence. All that I need is always within my reach. Extraordinary love and amazing wealth are always available to me. I have an abundance of spiritual helpers ready to assist me in all the areas of your life. So there are divine angels, guardians who are helping you out currently. Okay, even if you don't feel so, they are helping you out. Okay, so your gemstone for the month is morganite. And if your question is, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe the best is yet to come? The message from your Archangel Uriel to you is, for the month of September, make a clear decision to manifest the good moment in your life. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all the love, that is everything. So this is what I am saying. Okay? A major decision is about to you have to make, whether you want to stay into the current situation you are dealing with, or you need to move forward towards the person you want to connect with. Okay, releasing all the confusions, baggage. You are just into a mode where you just need to make us one decision and you will be ready to move forward. Capricorns, that's a beautiful reading, guys. September will be the month of taking an action and moving forward. Okay, so yes, you are planning right now, I guess, somewhere, and you will be dealing with it. Okay, so yes, just make the strategy and then move. Do not be haphazard. Don't be so quick in leaving the situation and moving. Just make a plan. Make a plan and then leave. Okay, and you will be shining bright. You will be taking action and moving forward, shining bright. Because you will be shining bright towards moving towards your happiness. You are just there at a new beginning. You want to start and you want to have a new beginning towards your happiness. Okay, there is some happiness which is waiting for you and you are just ready to move forward towards that happiness. Okay, so new beginning is waiting for you. You are just September will be the month of taking action, making major decisions and moving forward for you. Okay, Capricorns, so thank you, Capricorns. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Thank you so much, guys. Comment down below how was it. Bye bye.